So let's start with Slender. Go to Mesh, select Slender, press S and Z to scale it up, press Tab to go to Edit Mode, Face Selection Mode, select Loop Cut, and here in number of cuts type 13. Now go to Face Selection Mode and select top and bottom together and press X to delete faces. Now go inside and select randomly different points for the light purpose. Now separate all these points and give them the emission material, and strength will be 5. Now go to shading and here Shift A and type color. Select color ramp, connect it to the emission. Here the one point is going to be blue and the other corner will be red. Now again Shift A and from texture select Voronoi texture and connect it to color ramp. Now go up here and select timeline. Now here turn on the recording and press I on scale. Now on 50 increase the scale to 12. On 150 increase the scale again, and on 250 again increase the scale. Alright. Now move it back and select Slender, shade it smooth. Give it the dark gray color, make it metallic and bring the roughness down to 0. And let's give it the checker texture. Increase the scale to 12. And now back to layout. Here press tab again and select the bottom part and separate it. Let's delete the material. Press tab. In add selection mode, select the lower area and move it down, and E and S. Again E and S like this. Now in add modifier, select wireframe and turn the thickness, to, yeah, it's good here. Apply it, and now let's give it the material. And now join all these together. Okay, now let's make copy of the Slender. So Control C and V. Again Control C and V. And join all these together. by pressing Ctrl and J, gain Ctrl C and V. Alright, again join all this together, and now let's animate the cylinders. So turn on the recording and rotate it like this, and then jump to the endpoint. Like this. Okay, now Shift A and camera, and Shift A and select circle from mesh, press S and press tab and F to fill and E to extrude a little, then press tab again and shade it smooth and give it the emission material, and the color will be blue and the strength will be 10. Now move it down here and let's animate the camera. So first make the focal length to 32. In world settings, turn the color black, and here in render engine, turn the ambient occlusion on and turn the bloom on. Turn on the screen space reflection, motion blur. In bloom, turn the radius down and intensity like this. And now in indirect lighting, pick indirect lighting, and now let's animate the camera. Press G and now jump to the endpoint, and here we go. Yep, it's good here. Now move the ring a little down like this. Let's see what we have. Here we are. Thanks for watching, friends. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video.